Think you already know Russian? Be careful. Today we'll look at 20 Russian words that look familiar, but don't mean what you think. These are called false friends, words that can easily trick English speakers. By the end of this video, you'll never confuse them again. Let's begin.
Магазин is not magazine. It means store or shop. For example, Я иду в магазин. I'm going to the store. Magazine means журнал. Store means магазин. Фамилия is not family. It means last name or surname. For example, какая у вас фамилия? What's your last name? Family means семья. Last name or surname means фамилия. Артист is not artist. It usually means actor or performer. For example,
Он известный артист.
he's a famous actor. Artist means
Художник.
actor or performer means
Артист. Актуальный.
is not actual. It means relevant or current. For example,
Это очень актуальная проблема.
this is a very relevant problem. Actual means
Фактический.
relevant or current means
Актуальный. Аккуратный.
is not accurate. It means neat or tidy. For example,
У него очень аккуратный почерк.
he has very neat handwriting. Accurate means
Точный.
neat or tidy means
Аккуратный. Фабрика.
is not fabric. It means factory. For example,
Он работает на фабрике.
he works at a factory. Fabric means
Ткань.
factory means
Фабрика. Симпатичный.
is not sympathetic. It means good-looking or attractive. For example,
Он очень симпатичный.
he's very good-looking. Sympathetic means
Сочувствующий.
good-looking or attractive means
Симпатичный. Рецепт.
is not receipt. It means recipe. For example,
Это мой любимый рецепт.
this is my favorite recipe. Receipt means
Чек.
recipe means
Рецепт. Чек.
is not check. It means receipt. For example,
Можно чек, пожалуйста?
can I have the receipt, please? Check means
Проверять.
or
Проверка.
receipt means
Чек. Кабинет.
is not cabinet. It means office or study. For example,
Директор в своем кабинете.
the director is in his office. Cabinet means
Шкаф.
or
Шкафчик.
office or study means
Кабинет. Публика.
is not public. It means audience. For example,
Публика громко аплодировала.
the audience applauded loudly. Public means
Общественность.
audience means
Публика. График.
is not graphic. It means schedule or timetable. For example,
Мой график очень плотный.
my schedule is very busy. Graphic means
Графика.
or
Графический.
schedule or timetable means
График. Билет.
is not billet. It means ticket. For example,
У меня есть билет на поезд.
I have a train ticket. Billet means
Чурбан.
or
Заготовка.
ticket means
Билет. Аппарат.
is not apartment. It means device or machine. For example,
Этот аппарат очень дорогой.
this machine is very expensive. Apartment means
Квартира.
device or machine means
Аппарат. Валюта.
is not value. It means currency. For example,
Какая у вас местная валюта?
what is your local currency? Value means,
Ценность.
or
Значение.
currency means,
Валюта. Парик.
is not parked. It means wig. For example,
Я купил новый парик.
I bought a new wig. Park means,
Парк.
wig means,
Парик. Роман.
is not Roman. It means novel. For example,
Я читаю интересный роман.
I'm reading an interesting novel. Roman means,
Римлянин.
or
Римский.
novel means,
Роман. Декада.
is not decade. It means a 10-day period. For example,
Вторая декада июля.
the second 10-day period of July. Decade means,
Десятилетие.
10-day period means,
Декада. Презерватив.
is not preservative. It means condom. For example,
Он купил презервативы.
he bought condoms. Preservative means,
Консервант.
condom means,
Презерватив. Инвалид.
is not invalid. It means disabled person. For example,
Он инвалид.
he is disabled. Invalid means,
Недействительный.
disabled person means,
Инвалид.
Great job! Today you learned 20 Russian false friends that can easily confuse English speakers. Every new word you learn brings you one step closer to speaking natural Russian with confidence. Which word surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more practical Russian. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep speaking Russian.